Alright guys, so welcome to the next video in your training course. So in this course we are going to talk about Google patents and how to kind of find out if your item has a patent or not. So to begin, first thing we're going to do is find what product we're using. So I'm going to do an example. So right now I'm going to do the Garden Solar Powered Light. So I'm going to take the key terms, which is Garden Solar Light. Let's see, hold on. Okay, so once you get to Google, make sure you guys do, sorry, I'm getting ahead of myself. You do type in Google Advanced Patent Search or follow the link that will be down in the links section of this training. Go to, it should be the second one. It looks like this. You'll click on it. Okay, so when you get to it, you're going to see that it has item or options on the side. This is where you're going to be editing into your editing all your information into and stuff like that. So in search terms, okay, so we're going to put solar garden light. Okay, so you don't have to worry about any of this, guys, because obviously you don't know the information on that yet. But that's all it is. So, okay, so here is all the lists. So you're going to go ahead and you're going to look down through until you see if there's any patents. As you can see, there's already a ton in the very first few sections. Solar powered garden light, solar garden lamp with reception functions. So you're going to want to make sure that you click on some of these and kind of view them and make sure that they're not identical to your product. Okay, so here is that. So you can see what this looks like. And this looks like it is one that is one of those bulbs that is like the whole bulb lights up. And if you go back to our item, this is what we're looking for, whereas the small thing on top, cap, and the light. So I do not think that this patent goes to this. I don't think that it really, connects exactly, but I wouldn't suggest using this item. As you can see, there is a description, so you definitely want to make sure that you're reading it and connecting to see if it is the same. Sorry about that, guys. I am super tired, but we're going to keep on going because I really want to make sure that you guys get all this information. So the other option and way to go about this is if you want to or you have more information, you can provide it. Let's see. So we click on it. Let's see who it is sold by. Okay, so it's from Walmart. So chances are they have an outside carrier. So I would say that due to all the different ones that are here, chances are that is not going to be a product that's going to be good for drop shipping. And I would be a little bit leery on it. But guys, this is really basic. It's really simple to do. I just know some of you guys are visual learners. So definitely make sure that you use this. This is completely free. It's Google Patents. It's an advanced search. So if you have other things that you want to put into there, you can to see if that item is going to have a patent. So if it's something very unique you've never seen before and you have some good information, you can definitely add it in and find out. But just make sure you go through kind of, obviously there's 95,000 results and they all seem to be somewhat similar. But just kind of go through, look for one that matches your product, look for any that are identical, look for any that have the same name, stuff like that. Just kind of see what it is. Again, the patent isn't really a huge deal, but if there is someone who is actively selling it and has a very strict patent on your product, such as things like the Kylie Jenner products and stuff like that, then they will message you, they will send you a cease and desist, and then you will have to remove it. It's not a big deal, but it saves you some time by going through and seeing.